You searched how to buy shares of Johnson Matthey. The company is a UK-based sustainable technology and specialty chemicals firm that trades on the LSE plc under the ticker JMAT.L. This video is for educational purposes only and does not constitute financial advice. To buy the stock, you need a broker account, and I will use eToro as an example to show the steps. After registering, you will need to verify your account, usually by uploading a government ID, and add funds before you can place an order. Use the platform search bar and type the ticker JMAT.L to find Johnson Matthey. Select the result that clearly matches the company name and the LSE listing to open the correct stock page. On the stock page, you will see basic company information and a price chart reflecting recent market activity. Confirm the company name, LSE listing, and the ticker to ensure this is the correct asset before proceeding. Click Invest or Buy. Enter the amount you want to allocate. Review order details such as order type and any fees. Then confirm to submit the trade. If the market is closed, your order may be queued as a pending instruction, and if you lack sufficient funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before completing the purchase. Once executed, your Johnson Matthey position will appear in your portfolio showing holdings in current value. Find the eToro link in the description if you want to open an account or review the platform used in this demonstration.